In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently close your ConvertKit account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. So you've decided to close your ConvertKit account. Whether you're switching to a different platform or you simply no longer need the service, the process is straightforward, but it's essential to follow the right steps to ensure everything is taken care of properly. First off, let's start by logging into your ConvertKit account. Open your web browser and head to the ConvertKit website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials and click on the Login button. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can access all of your account settings. Now that you're in, look over to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile picture or initials. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll want to select Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, you'll be able to manage various aspects of your account. However, since we're here to close your account, we need to scroll down until you find the section labeled Danger Zone. This is normally where you can find options for deleting or closing your account. Before you proceed to close your account, I highly recommend that you take a moment to download any important data. This could include subscriber lists, tags, or any email templates you might want to preserve. To ensure you don't lose any valuable information, go ahead and export that now. Look for the Subscribers section on the left sidebar. From there, you can download a CSV file that contains all of your subscriber information. Got all your data saved? Perfect. Now, let's get back to closing your account. In the Danger Zone section, you will find a button that says something like Close Account or Delete Account. Click that, and you may be prompted to confirm your decision. It's crucial to read any warnings or notifications that appear. Closing your account is a permanent action, meaning once it's done, you won't be able to recover any of your data or your account. If you're absolutely sure you want to proceed, click on that confirmation button. You might also be asked to provide a bit of feedback about why you're closing your account. It's optional, but if you want to share your reasons, feel free. Many companies appreciate that feedback as it can help improve their services. After you confirm your choice, your account will then go through the closing process. This can take a few moments, so be patient. You should receive a notification on your screen confirming that your account has been closed successfully. And that's it. You've successfully closed your ConvertKit account. Now, if at any point you change your mind or want to return in the future, just remember that you'll need to start a new account, as this action is irreversible. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that if you have any other tools or services that you're considering using instead of ConvertKit, it might be a good idea to explore those options. Understanding your needs and what different platforms offer can be really beneficial in your email marketing journey. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to permanently close your ConvertKit account has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful tutorials